what's happening? Welcome back to another video on the S54 swap e30. Little update for you guys, E28's gone. E28 is not in the garage. It's over at Archie's. I'm giving you guys like little updates on that car at the end of every video that I'm filming now. If you guys see behind me, I got a kit for the E30, and you guys probably already know that from the thumbnail. Also, I got my coffee because I run off of caffeine, and my garage is super dirty. I'm not in frame. I got an M-Tech 2 body kit, which is right behind me. Shout out to Garagistic, they sent me out this M-Tech 2 body kit. It is super sick. I got it all laid out here. Side skirts, the side splats for both sides, of course. The front bumper, the rear bumper, and my favorite part of the entire kit is this wing. I love how this looks when it's on the car. And if you guys don't know, there's an S54 in this car. So that's sick. There's optional brake ducting that you can get, and Garagistic sends you out double-sided tape. They also send you out some self-tappers. More on those later. This is actually my second time filming this video because my first time filming it, I didn't like the results. Like, it wasn't a true install video, so I'm doing this a second time. That being said, I already have the car stripped down and the side moldings off and the front bumper is taken apart. I do have footage of that, so I'll throw that in right now. We got the trim off. We got these little Johnsons. Come on, focus. See them there? I know they're painted up. There's the inner part and the outer part. We gotta pull the inner part out so we can get it out. And then the bumper trim, the bumper cover should come off of the bumper. We actually reuse the old bumpers. You just have to take the bumper covers off, and then these are gonna bolt on just like your old bumpers. Now that we got the bumper on, we can now put the actual like bumper cover on. So this bumper also has like the stock clips that slide onto mounting brackets on the side of the fenders. Front valence is on. You guys can see how it wraps around there and it grabs onto the front fender there. Same as on the other side. To fasten the front valence onto the bumper, there are these 3 holes in the front of it, and that is to use 3 of the self-tappers and put it in to screw it down. But I'm not gonna do that right now because we do have to take this on and off a couple times because we're gonna be, you know, painting the kit and doing like finalized body work. Alright guys, so this is footage from me the other day when I was actually installing this. I'm just gonna do a voiceover for this. But I'm taking off the wheels now so I can drill out in the inner fenders. You guys will see that in a second here. So I'm test fitting the side skirt. You can see where I'm drilling it out in the inner fender lip for it to all to fit. I'm actually using M6 fasteners right here, M6 bolts, and I'm using a 1/8 drill bit for that to fit, doing the same in the front. As you can see, punching through 2 holes. It's real skinny in that front fender, so watch that. We have the bottom, like the rocker panel here. Punch a hole from there. Hopefully this shows up on camera, but that tab that I was talking about right there, we're gonna drill a hole, probably space this out every foot or so on the bottom of the seam. So we got these 2, I think 4 screws in the bottom, spaced out about a foot. There's 1 down there. Then we got the 2 up front. We can actually throw the wheels back on and throw it on the ground. Now we're gonna move on to the side splats. This big rib in here is where the self-tappers are actually gonna go in through the inside of the car, hold this on to the actual car. What they want you to do is just use the self-tappers to drill in and then like from the inside. But what I did, this trim in here, and obviously No. Oh, dude, are you kidding me? I'm just trying to film a video.
Many hours later.
Power's back. It's 11 o'clock at night and I want to get this video out tomorrow. So that means I gotta finish this all, edit the video, make the thumbnail and upload it. So I'm gonna be up late. This trim needs to be taken off. But before we install this, we're gonna use these self-tappers. I had to modify them a little bit. If you can see, one is shorter than the other because I actually ground down the tip of this. Because these are a bit too long, it's gonna go along there. You see how that tip just goes out past the thing? I know there's gonna be a little piece of metal in there, you know, the body of the car. It will hit against right here, and you don't want that. That's gonna mess up your kit, and then it'll just cause you to do more body work. So what I did, I actually ground down the tip of that, if that's gonna focus. I marked it inside the car, and then I drilled 1/8 size holes. So we're gonna put this on. There's 3 of the self-tappers we have to put in. One in the center, obviously, one back there, and one up here. I can't get to the ones back here and up here with a screwdriver, so I'm gonna put them in by hand and then use a pair of pliers just going around the edge to tighten them down. Now we're just moving on down the line here with our side door panel. The easiest self-tapper to start with is the one on the outside skin of the door. I just have one self-tapper holding this on and it's loose. That's why this is open up here like this. One thing you have to pay attention to when you're installing this piece, the gap in the door panel right here, because we're gonna have another piece right here, and this is just so the door can swing open without this hitting on the fender. Last piece of the side splat is this little fender piece. This one already has the holes drilled in it. Again, same thing with the self-tapper. We're gonna take down the tip just a little bit so it doesn't pierce through the outside. You can get to the first one, just kind of wrapping your hand around there. I'm only gonna put one in there for now. It holds on just fine. I'm gonna put the last one in after we get everything painted because I'll have the fenders off and I can get to that one very easily with the fenders off. The same thing that goes for the front. Again, these 10mm Allens hold it on. Same procedure for the front to throw this on. Again, we have the same as the stock mounting locations for the clips right here to slide and lock into. Now for my favorite part of the install, that's your rear wing. What's super cool about this wing is you don't have to drill holes in your trunk to put this on. And I say that oh yeah, I don't have to drill holes in my car even though I just cut up an entire E28 to make a wide body, but besides the point, it has these little clamp things that go over the edge of your trunk. You're gonna put those on, clamp them down, and then it should be good. Now, when I finally install this, I am gonna use the double-sided tape to hold it on just for that extra added security. I'm not saying I don't trust these to hold the wing on. I'm saying when the car is, going the speed limit, I don't want it to fly off. I just want that double security. But I'm only using the clamps right now just because I know we're gonna take it off to paint it.
My BMW scraped the floor. You understand? My BMW. The side of my crib looking like Wrigley Field, covered with ivy. I could have been one of the Isleys. Nothing surprises me. I'm obviously high in the driver's seat. It's like I'm rhyming on a silent beat. The groove move like voodoo, put a needle in the doll. Yo, is that Don Cheadle in the car? It looks just like him. About to watch the documentary that Spike did on Tyson. Shouts to Tracy Morgan, you inspired.
I hope you guys like that montage. I don't have a gimbal, so I was just doing that all by hand, so I hope it turns out good. That's gonna be the end of today's video. I am so unbelievably stoked with this car. I cannot wait to get this thing painted and for us to take it to car meets and take it on cruises and take it out and rip it. Just can't wait for this summer. Warmer weather now. It's just making me so excited to get this thing ready for summer. But that being said, guys, I want to change my style of filming. I still want to film videos like this, and you know, of course, we have an entire race car to build, so there's still going to be like informational building content, but I want to post one video a week of like me building, working on cars, so you guys learn along with me. But I think on the weekends, especially now that summer's coming up, I want to post like a vlog, like just taking the cars out, going to meets, going on cruises with my friends. I gotta get this pile of junk fixed because this thing's just sitting in the driveway. If you guys don't know, I hit a deer in this and it's all broken. It looks sick in the driveway. Center exit exhaust is sick. I think I'm gonna change the exhaust just a little bit. If you guys don't know, go watch that video on this car because it's awesome. The E30, guys. Like, the funny part is, most people, especially kids my age, would look at the R8. They'd be like, oh my God, look, it's an R8, it's a supercar. This is way cooler. This is way cooler. It's like, this thing's sick. Don't get me wrong, it's sick, but this is way cooler. This car is me. This car is what got me into cars. I will never sell this car. I'm telling you guys right now, this car one day will be sitting next to a Porsche 918. My dream car. I will never sell this thing. I can't wait to get this car ready for summer. It is so sick. If you guys like the video, drop a comment down. Well, if you guys like the video, go like the video. And if you guys like the video enough, drop a comment down below. Say MTech2 E30, let me know that you guys are here. That being said, next video, gonna be on the 2002, so we're gonna sneak that thing in the garage. Thank you guys so much for watching. Like, if you guys are here to the end of the video, I absolutely love it. It means the world to me. I think it would be cool if I could get some sort of like an affiliate code through Garagistic so I could get you guys a discount for watching my videos and using these parts because they're the parts that I always use. I'm trying to work on that. I'm trying to get you guys a code so you guys can use that. And as I always say, guys, dreams hope it gets scary. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.